Okay, I've just wasted an entire day spending time with the most useless apps that exist on this earth. Yeah. So, the first app is called Useless, whose name itself defines its characteristic. This app just literally consists of a few paragraphs of text describing that it is useless, except the small ad banner on the bottom of the screen, which is useful to the developer to earn some ad revenue. The next app is a very similar one, which is the useless button. So here is just a simple circular button on the center of the screen, and it does absolutely nothing even after an infinite amount of clicks. This app kind of reminds me about my first Android Studio project. That was a fun chapter. Anyway, speaking about the next app, it is a little bit different. It generates computer keyboard typing sounds, for which you can choose between 5 different variants of the sounds available in this app itself, and you can also set the app to make sounds up to a scheduled time, and you can adjust the volume of the sounds right here using this native volume slider in the app itself. But this app might be useful at one point. When you want to take a nap during your work, making sure that others can still hear your computer typing sounds, this app will help you. So you can take a peaceful nap unless your boss notices you. So you might have noticed a few apps like the portable mobile fan, portable cooler appearing somewhere on the Play Store or the App Store. This is such an app called the Bedtime Fan. What you would expect to be the result of using this app is something like this, but the reality is this. It just makes the sounds of a fan, not a strong breeze of air. If you want a portable fan to connect with your phone, just get a cheap USB OTG fan. It will be a better idea rather than using such fake apps. Okay, let's jump into some sports and games. Some sort of physical activity using your smartphone. There is an app called S.M.T.H, which requires you to throw your smartphone as high as you can. And this app uses the accelerometer of your phone to detect the height between your hands and the highest point that your phone gets in the air. And the developer of this app says you should use this app at your own risk, and they are not responsible for any kind of physical damage made to your smartphone. So if you're planning to get a new phone by breaking your old phone, then this will help you catalyze that process. So the next one is Fingerprint Fortune Teller. This app claims that upon scanning your fingerprint for 6 seconds, it can predict your future. See, apps like this are totally fake. The fingerprint icon on the screen is not even real. You can press that with any object and it will work. Those apps just display random preset strings, and there's nothing for the app to do with your fingerprint. Sometimes you might want to show people that your phone is running out of battery in order to avoid them from using your phone. This app will make it possible. Fake low battery. So this app can generate a fake low battery alert on your device after a scheduled time, and you can also repeat it as long as you want. But the caveat of using this app is that it shows the screenshot of a low battery pop-up box from a 7-year-old Android device, which people can identify easily that it is not real. Now, speaking of things that are years old, let's speak about Windows XP error. So you can emulate Windows XP error sounds and dialog box on your Android device by using another useless app called XP Errors. So in this app, you can choose between different dialog boxes from the Windows XP and click start and you're ready to go. You can drag that error dialog box window everywhere to create a beautiful pattern. And if you do it too much, it enters into the blue screen of death. But don't worry, your phone won't be affected by it. You can just close the app to get rid of it. So the next one is Useless Calculator. I need not tell anything about this app. You can just know what it does by looking at the screen. Okay, why should you always get things for free? Let's get a bit expensive. In 2008, an app worth $1,000 was released on the Apple App Store called I'm Rich by developer Armin Heinrich. Yeah, I'm sure he will be rich, since he sells his app for $1,000. And just after a few days, it was removed from the App Store. But the developer, after a few years, came up with another app called the I Am Rich LE, maybe the light edition, for $8.99. Those apps absolutely does nothing. It is to show people that you can afford such expensive apps. Oh, Android users, please wait, there's something for you called the Abumu collection of gemstones, which cost $2,400 for 6 gemstone widgets, which consists of simple low-resolution images of gemstones that you can place in the home screen of your launcher. And the Abumu collection of apps were removed by Play Store. Such apps just keep appearing and disappearing from the Play Store and the App Store, and you can just search for expensive app and you can install them in your smartphone if you can afford. So, it's been an absolutely crazy video to make. After making this video, I just sort of grabbed all those apps out of my phone and threw them away. So if you guys want to waste your time like me, then check out the links in the description for all those apps. Those apps might be useless, but smashing that subscribe button will be useful to you as well as to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.